Shalom lekulam, hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about past tense in Hebrew. So this is just part one. This is a bit more of an intro, an easier way to get introduced to past tense. And it's really interesting. So in Hebrew, past tense verbs change their ending according to the pronoun. So if I say I ate, or we ate, or you ate, is a bit of a different ending for the verb. We'll see that also, we'll see the full chart, but not in this video. Today, we're going to see how to just use I. I lived, I flew, I ate, I drank. The moment you master I, and you kind of get comfortable with saying I did something in the past, it gets much easier to use all the other ones. So I always start with I. This is the secret. This is the main part here. If I did something in the past, the sound will end with T, okay? And it's the same for a man and a woman, so that's easy. We don't have to think about the two versions anymore for I. So I will always end with T. Let's take an example for a verb in present tense. For example, the verb gar. We know that gar is live, reside somewhere, okay? A woman would say gara, gar and gara. Now this is a very easy and perfect verb to give an example because it's so short. We just say garti, gar and gara. Ani garti is I lived. Let's take a look with some sentences. So someone can say in the present, Ani gar be London, which is not true for me. But Ani gar be London is I live in London. And then a woman would say, Ani gara be London, I live in London. This so far is not hard. Ani gar be London, Ani gara be London. If I say I lived in the past in London, I would say Ani garti be London. This is the same for a man and a woman. Ani garti be London. Something that's interesting also, that the word Ani garti, you could also just say garti be London. It's also possible. I prefer usually to say Ani garti be London. It's easier for people to understand and it's very common, so both ways are good. Let's move to the next one. Fly, tas, okay? Tas is for a man in the present, and tasa is the feminine. And then how would I say it in the past? I flew is just tasti. Let's see some sentences. Someone can say, Ani tas le Israel. I am flying to Israel, or I fly to Israel. Ani tas le Israel, or a woman would say, Ani tasa le Israel. Ani tasa le Israel. This is easy. A past tense would be Ani tasti le Israel. Ani tasti le Israel. Very easy. The two verbs we did now, like live and fly, they're very short, so it's really easy to just play with it and say in the past. But let's take a look at the verb eat. There's a little interesting change here. So we know ochel is eat. By the way, if you don't know these verbs in the present, we have a video that is about verbs in the present tense. Go check it out. Don't just jump straight to past tense if you don't know the present. Ochel is eat. And a woman would say ochelet. Ochel and ochelet. Now in the past, we would not say ochelti or ocheleti. We usually drop the vav and we say achalti. It becomes achalti. Same for man and woman. Achalti. So let's see some sentences again. Ani ochel falafel. The picture doesn't show falafel, but let's say Ani ochel falafel means I'm eating falafel or I eat falafel. A woman would say Ani ochelet falafel. I'm eating falafel, I eat falafel. אני אוכלת falafel. Now, if I want to say I ate falafel, it would be אני אכלתי falafel. אכלתי. Okay, אני אכלתי falafel. Let's see another one. The verb work is עובד. עובד and עובדת. עובד, עובדת. Now, I worked in the past. Again, it's not עובדתי. Okay? We say the vav usually is cut and we say עבדתי. עבדתי. Okay? I can say אני עבדתי בגוגל. I worked at Google. Let's see some examples. So someone can say אני עובד הרבה. אני עובד הרבה, I work a lot. Or אני עובדת הרבה. אני עובדת הרבה, I work a lot. By the way, I always encourage you guys to write comments in Hebrew, in English, transliteration, with some of these examples. It's really fun to practice with me as you write in the comments. So, אני עובד הרבה, אני עובדת הרבה. Now, if I want to say I worked, it would be אני עבדתי הרבה. People say like, whoof, אני עבדתי הרבה היום. I worked a lot today. Perfect. This is really good. Okay, next up. Let's say the verb go or walk. It's הולך. הולך is go or walk. Or הולכת. That's the feminine. Again, we know it's not going to be הולכתי. We know it's not going to be that. And we know it's going to end with T. So we say הלכתי. הלכתי. People confuse this a lot with I ate. I understand why the sounds are pretty similar, but it's not the same. אני הלכתי means I went or I walked. Someone can say אני הולך לסופר. אני הולך לסופר is like I'm going to the supermarket. Or אני הולכת לסופר. אני הולכת לסופר. I'm going to the supermarket. Nice. In the past, you can guess already. Think about it for a sec actually. I'm going to share it right now. אני הלכתי לסופר. Very easy. אני הלכתי לסופר. Someone could say, אני הלכתי לשוק. I went to the market. Or אני הלכתי לים. I went to the beach. Or אני הלכתי לסופר. Or לסופרמרקט, we say also. Perfecto. Nice. So let's see the next verb. This is drink. We know it's שותה for a man or שותה for a woman. שותה and שותה. Now, how would we say I drank? This is interesting. We know it's not שותתי. It could not be שותתי. This is out of the table. And it's not, well, I'll just give you a big hint. If a verb ends with hey, like שותה and שותה, it suddenly ends with et. For example, if I want to say I drank, we say אני שתיתי. It's interesting because of the hey at the end, it becomes שתיתי. It's a funny sound, but we say שתיתי. You can say אני שתיתי מים. I drank water. Let's see the examples. So someone could say אני שותה קפה. אני שותה קפה is I drink coffee or I am drinking coffee. Or אני שותה קפה for a woman. אני שותה קפה. I drink coffee. In the past I would say אני שתיתי קפה. אני שתיתי קפה. We say אני שתיתי. Same for men, same for women. Okay, let's see a little bit more. This verb, רואה. רואה is see or watch. רואה and רואה. רואה, רואה. See, watch. For a man and for a woman. How would we say I saw or I watched? It's not רואתי and it's not ראיתי. It's ראיתי. אני ראיתי. Let's take some examples. So someone could say, אני רואה טלוויזיה. Televizia is like English, like Spanish, television. אני רואה טלוויזיה is like I watch TV. אני רואה טלוויזיה is for a woman. Okay, so אני רואה טלוויזיה, man. אני רואה טלוויזיה, woman. And in the past I would say, אני ראיתי טלוויזיה. Hey, אני ראיתי טלוויזיה. I watched TV. Watched TV. Good. This is really, really good so far. Let's take a look now at a really short story. It's like 5 sentences, but it's all in the past. So we're going to read it together, and I want you to try to translate after these sentences. First off, אני טסתי לישראל באוגוסט. אני טסתי לישראל באוגוסט. Think about it. Let's see the next one. אני אכלתי חומוס ופלאפל. אני אכלתי חומוס ופלאפל. אני שתיתי קפה בתל אביב. 2 more sentences. אני ראיתי את ירושלים. אני ראיתי את ירושלים. אני לא עבדתי בישראל. אני לא עבדתי בישראל. Okay. So, אני טסתי לישראל באוגוסט literally means I flew to Israel in August. אני אכלתי חומוס ופלאפל. I ate hummus and falafel. אני שתיתי קפה בתל אביב. I drank coffee in Tel Aviv. אני ראיתי את ירושלים. I saw Jerusalem. And אני לא עבדתי בישראל. I didn't work in Israel. Let me know in the comments what do you think about these verbs, about the story, if it was hard or easy. I'm really looking forward to read and learn from you guys. What do you think? If you're confused about the word et for Jerusalem, we already have a video about it, calling like et. When we say like verb and then a proper noun, we use the word et. But that's amazing so far. So we can see it's marked here, all of the past tense verbs. אני טסתי, אני אכלתי, אני שתיתי, אני ראיתי, and אני לא עבדתי. I didn't work. This is very good, not too hard. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're really serious about taking your Hebrew to the next level, feel free to check out the link in the description. We have a course in the community. It's there for you. Let me know if you need any help. I'm here to help you guys. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Toda rabba. Wish you guys all the best, and see you in the next video. Yalla bye.